Hey, hi all. Good morning. So yesterday we have discussed about like creating table, inserting data, and then upper lower clause. Okay, that we have discussed yesterday. How upper clause and how lower clause works. Okay, and then we have discussed about the and condition. Okay, so when you have multiple conditions and when all the conditions has to be satisfied, then we have to use and operator. So and operator is which operator? Is it strict operator or flexible operator, guys?
Strict.
And is a strict operator. Why and is a strict operator?
Because to have complete this operator, both the condition has to be satisfied. The previous and the next.
Correct, because all the conditions which has been mentioned has to be satisfied. That's why and is a strict operator. It will check whether the records which is satisfying all the conditions, then only it will display that in the output. Okay. Or or is a flexible operator because here in the or condition it is not necessary that you have to satisfy all the conditions. Even if you are able to satisfy any one condition, the record will be fetched. Okay. And then we have seen the in operator, like if you have this, if you are applying or condition on same columns, okay, then instead of writing the same column with the data and or condition, you can write the in operator. Okay. Which one is better from performance? Using in operator or using same column multiple times?
In.
In operator.
In operator. Okay. So whenever you're getting questions based on performance, so what you will check?
In operator, because it will the SQL engine look for the list of values inside in, so it will execute.
I'm telling in general, if there's a question related to performance, so how you will find the performance of a query? What's the formula we have discussed yesterday?
Based on the task. If
Yes.
more task made by the query, it is a poor performance, and it is less task is performed by the query, it is a good performance.
Good. So whenever there is a question related to performance, uh, whenever there is a question related to performance, you have to check the number of tasks. You see, if there is more tasks, the performance will be poor. If there is less tasks, the performance will be good. So you have to understand from the query that in which query engine has to perform more tasks or in which query engine has to perform less tasks. Okay. So this is what we have discussed yesterday. Okay. So now I'm proceeding further, but I repeat, please complete the assignment questions what we have given, because when you will solve those assignment questions, I'm sure you will get few more questions. You'll get stuck somewhere, and then you will get some more flavors of and or operator. Okay, so do work on it. Today and tomorrow you have, and so we don't have class on Saturday and Sunday. So utilize this that time and work on the assignment. I'm proceeding further. So data. Just a minute, I'm searching for data. Okay, now, so suppose I'm trying to create this employee table. But I repeat, we have discussed and all operator yesterday. That is not over. Once you will work on the assignment, you will get few more questions. Then I will share few more scenarios based on that. Okay. So now I'm proceeding with the concept of order by. So this is an employee table. Okay. In this employee table, I have two columns, first name and last name. You can see this is the data. Now, tell me one. Do you think this first name has been sorted in ascending order?
No,
No, ascending.
This is
Yeah,
this is not sorted in ascending order, right?
right.
Now, suppose the requirement is that I have to sort this data in ascending order. This is a very common requirement. Okay, to sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. Okay. Now, suppose here the requirement is please sort the data in ascending order. I mean, like, please sort the first name in ascending order. To sort the data, we have this order by keyword. Okay. The moment you will write order by, the SQL engine will understand that, oh, user wants to sort the data. Okay. Now, order by, then I will write first name. The engine will understand that, oh, user wants to sort the data based on the first name. I'm executing this script. Now tell me, is this sorted in ascending order?
No, so it is sorted by first name. Order by first name you've mentioned.
Right.
So yeah, is it sorted based on the first name?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
I mean, okay.
The
Now
table
you
is
can see
sorted, yeah, sorted by first name and the last name.
last name, ignore the last name for the time being. Okay. Is this sorted based on the first name?
Yes,
First you have Benjamin, B, J, then R, and S, right? Clear?
clear.
Okay. Is this sorted in ascending order or descending order?
Ascending order.
ascending order by
Ascending
default.
order.
It is ascending order.
It is sorted in ascending order. Now, suppose the question is that no, I want to sort this in descending order. Then you have to write here DESC. DESC means descending. Okay. So the moment you will write DESC, engine will understand that, oh, user wants to sort this data in descending order. Now, please verify the output. First
Yes,
you have S, then R, J, and B. Okay. So now this data is sorted in descending order. So with the help of order by, you can sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. When I have removed this descending, okay, when I executed this, so this was sorted in ascending order, right? So you can see this is sorted in ascending order. You can ask question here that I have not mentioned ascending or descending anything, then how it is sorted in ascending order. So if you will not write anything either ascending or descending, so by default, engine will sort the data in ascending order. But if you want to write, you can write ASC. So that again means the same thing. You want to sort the data in ascending order. So hope this is clear.
yes.
Is this clear, everyone? Any question? Any question, guys? Anyone?
No, sir, it was clear.
Just clear. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. I have executed this query, and this is the output. Why Raj Kumar has been placed before Rohan Sharma, although they both starts with R, no? Then why Raj Kumar is before Rohan Sharma?
Because
Must get
Raj
it.
is with an RA and Rohan is RO. So
Okay.
A and O in ascending order.
So in Raj Kumar and Rohan Sharma, both we have R. So when the first character is same, then the engine will check the second character. Here in Raj Kumar's second character is A. In Rohan Sharma's second character is O. So which comes first, A or O? A, right? That's why Raj Kumar is placed before Rohan Sharma. Hope it is clear, everyone.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
can we here have a question? So now, if it was Raj and Ravi, so then the second letter is also same. RA, RA. So
Then it
then
will,
the system will go to the third.
good.
Okay.
Then it will go to the third character. Let me show you that example. Suppose I have this Ravi Kumar. Okay. Then it will go for the third character. Let's check the output. Now see,
Yes.
Raj Kumar, Ravi.
Yeah.
So R and R are
Hmm.
same. Then engine will check the next character. This is A, this is A, this is also same. Then engine will check the third character. This is J, this is V. So
Hmm.
J comes before V. That is where first of all we are displaying Raj Kumar,
Right.
then Ravi Kumar, and then Rohan Sharma.
Then, yeah. Clear.
Hope it is clear, everyone.
Tanvir, what happens if Ravi's A is capital and Raj A is smaller? Will it take based on the ASCII values?
That we'll discuss after some time. Okay.
Sir, how to order on multiple columns?
That we'll discuss after some time.
No,
Give me some. From
Then,
uh,
then what is the outcome?
sorry, Gayatri, can you repeat?
If there are two rods, then what would be the outcome?
That we also will discuss. This order by is a big topic for today and for next class. 2 classes will discuss only order by. Lots of scenarios are there. We'll discuss one by one. From this, if you have any question, then please ask. Is this clear?
Yes.
It is clear to everyone, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me proceed further. Now I will take some other set of data. Now I want to take some other set of data. Okay, so I will delete this data. So to delete data from a table, you can use this command. I will not explain what is this drop, how it works. We have a separate session on it. Okay, but for the time being, just you can understand that when you want to delete data, you can write drop table and the table name. All the records will be deleted from that table. We'll discuss in a separate class how it works. Okay. So now I am inserting this set of data in the employee table. So let us start from employee. Now you have this data. Now suppose the requirement is we want to sort this data in ascending order based on the first name. Okay. Is the question clear? We want to sort the data based on first name in ascending order. So tell me, if I'm sorting this data based on first name in ascending order, so which one should be displayed first here?
Raj.
Raj, right?
Hmm.
Now, Raj Kumar, why Raj? Why not Rohan or why not Rohit? Why?
Because Raj, R is same, the first letter is same. So system will check the second letter.
Good. So in Raj, Rohan and Rohit, they all have R. First character is same. So when the first character is same, engine will check the second character. And the second character is R. Here it is O and here it is O. So so second character is A. So that's why Raj will be displayed before Rohan Sharma and Rohit Kumar. Okay. Now, in this, which one you will display first? Raj Kumar, Raj Karan, or Raj Kishore? Which one?
Raj Karan.
Raj Karan. Why?
Because in Raj Kumar and Raj Karan and Raj Kishore, the first name is same.
Okay.
The spelling and everything, all the three letters are same for the first name. So the
Hmm.
engine will then go to the last name.
Okay. Okay. Any other thought, anyone?
But basically, we are
Raj?
not sorting last name, no, okay?
It will not check the
Hmm.
last.
Yeah, it won't sort
Yeah.
last name.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Let me run this query and then I tell you how it will work. Ordered by first name. Okay. Now, I will not execute this. First of all, let's analyze it. Okay, one thing is clear that Raj should be displayed on top as compared to Suraj Mathur, Suraj Mukherjee, Rohan Sharma, Rohit Kumar. This is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So I will keep it as it is. Now, here in order by, you are telling SQL engine to sort based on the first name, no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now when multiple records, they have the same first name. If multiple records has the same first name, then now there is no logic how engine will sort the data. Maybe engine can keep Raj Kumar on the top. Maybe it can keep Raj Karan on the top. Or maybe it can keep Raj Kishore on the top. Because all of these records have the same first name. Have you mentioned here order by last name? No, you have not mentioned. So engine will not consider this column last name. It will just sort based on the first name. Here multiple records has the same first name, right? But even then, now it is the wish of SQL engine. It can display any record on top. Maybe Raj Kumar, Raj Karan, or Raj Kishore. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now I will execute this query and please verify the output. Now see, this is the output.
But engine sorted it correctly only.
That is
In
purely a
order.
coincidence. That is purely a coincidence. What you are thinking.
Okay.
That is purely a coincidence. There is no logic. Maybe the next time if I will execute, if I will insert the data, you will see engine will sort in some other order.
Okay.
Okay, that
Right.
is possible. So that is why if you have mentioned I want to sort based on the first name, engine will sort only based on the first name. If multiple records has the same first name, then that is totally the wish of SQL engine. It can keep any record on top, either Raj Karan or Raj Kishore or Raj Kumar. Maybe the same query if you will run in your machine, no? Maybe it will display Raj Kishore on the top or Raj Kumar on the top. Is this
Understood.
clear?
Yes, clear.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then after Raj, we have displayed Rohan Sharma, then Rohit Kumar. Okay, why Rohan Sharma, then Rohit Kumar? Why?
In the first three
It's the
letters,
fourth, because the fourth letter. So ROH, the first three letters were same. So engine then checked the fourth. So in fourth letter, in Rohan it is A, in Rohit it is I. So accordingly
Okay,
it's
okay. Okay, good. Any other thought? I want others also to respond. Is this clear, guys? So in
yes,
Rohan Sharma and Rohit Kumar, the first character R is same, second character O is same, third character H is same. Then in Rohan you have A, in Rohit you have I. So A comes first, then Rohit, right? And then Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur. Why Suraj Mukherjee has been placed before Suraj Mathur?
Here it was according to the system, because since the first name is same, and the system, it depends on the system how it sorts the data.
Any other thought?
Since we haven't given order by last name, system selects itself.
Good. So here they both have the exactly same first name, Suraj Mukherjee and Suraj Mathur. And we have told engine to sort based on the first name. So there is no logic why Suraj Mukherjee is before Suraj Mathur, right? So Mona Lisa, now if you're thinking that it is sorting based on the last name, so it should
No.
display Suraj Mathur before and then Suraj Mukherjee,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That
It's
is
clear.
what I
Absolutely.
that is what I told, that Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur, they both have the same first name. Then it is the wish of SQL engine. It can display anyone in any sequence. Okay.
Perfect.
Any other question, anyone? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, suppose the question is that I want to sort based on the first name, but if multiple records have the same first name, then consider the last name column and sort that in ascending order. Okay. Now the requirement is, please sort based on the first name. If multiple records have the same first name, then sort based on the last name. So for that, what you have to do, you have to write here first name, comma, last name. Okay. Now let me run this query. Now this is the output. Let's try to analyze this output. Now here, if you will see, all the Raj we have kept at the top here, right? Now here, can you guys, I want others also to speak. Why Raj Karan is before Raj Kishore?
Is
Answer.
yeah, it was sorted in ascending order with second position A.
We are
So
giving a
here,
command to order by last
Hmm.
name.
Good. So here we have told to SQL engine that SQL please sort based on the first name. Okay. So engine has sorted based on the first name. But engine has observed here that multiple records have the same first name. So engine cannot take any decision because there is a conflict. All the records have the same first name. When multiple records have the same first name, then engine will check whether user has given any other instruction. So yes, here user has given one more instruction. What is that? That is last name. So meaning of this query is, we are telling SQL engine to sort the data based on first name. And if multiple records has the same first name, then only consider the last name column. Now in Raj, Karan, Raj Kishore, Raj Kumar, here the last name is Karan, Kishore and Kumar. Again here the first character is same, K, K, K. Then engine will check the second character. Second character is A here. It is I, it is you. So you know in ascending order, A comes first, then I, then you. That is why it has been sorted Raj Karan, Raj Kishore and Raj Kumar. Is this clear?
Yes, Tanvi.
And,
Yeah. Okay. Here I have a question.
let me
So,
complete it. Let me
okay,
complete
sure.
it.
Yeah.
Then you have Rohan Sharma, Rohit Kumar, Suraj Mathur. Now here you see Suraj Mathur and Suraj Mukherjee. Is the first name same here? Yes, first name is same. So again, when you have the same first name, what instruction you have given here to the SQL engine? To consider the last name column. Okay. So last name column. So now see Mathur and Mukherjee, MM is same. So after M it is A, it is U. So A comes before you. So that is why we have displayed Suraj Mathur and then Suraj Mukherjee. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any other question?
Yes, I have Tanveen.
Yeah,
So
please.
when we don't give the column number, right? Like, does that sort in ascending for all the fields?
I didn't get you. Can you repeat your question? Column number?
So when I give order by, but I don't mention any column name, does that work? Or
That is mandatory. That is mandatory. You have to write the column name. That is mandatory. Otherwise, engine will throw error message.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can we put a descending here?
That we will discuss after this.
Okay,
Any
I
other question?
have a question here. If like there is say like if there are duplicates, like in the sense two people can have the same name. So in
Same
that
first name and same last name,
same
you mean?
last name, yes.
Okay.
So in that case, how would I sort the data?
So if two people have the same first name and last name, suppose, let me take an example. Suppose I have this two people, so they have the exactly same name, Tom Henry. Okay. Then there is no confusion here. No confusion at all. Okay, yeah. Now I have to keep it here. No? 1 minute. Now see, I will run this query. Check the output. Tom means it will come after S. So Tom Henry, and then you have this Tom Henry.
Okay.
So they're exactly same, right? So
Right.
you cannot figure it out which one is on the top and which is after that. Okay. Any other question? Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now suppose the question is that okay, fine. My manager is telling that okay, fine, then video, and these all are very common scenarios in any project. Okay. The manager is telling that okay, fine, then we now what I want is please sort the data based on the first name. If multiple records has the same first name, then I want you to sort based on the last name, but in descending order. Is the question clear? My manager is telling me to sort the data based on the first name in ascending order, okay? But if multiple records have the same first name, then I have to sort based on the last name. But in which order? Descending order, okay? Now I think I have added here Tom as well. We have this Tom Henry as well. This data. So I will not write any query here. First of all, let's do our analysis and tell me if the requirement is we have to sort based on the first name. And if multiple records has the same first name, then sort based on the last name in descending order. Then from this data, which record should be displayed on the top? Raj?
Yes.
Correct,
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here multiple Raj, we have multiple Raj. They all have the same first name. So based on the first name, can engine take any decision?
No.
No.
No. Then what my manager has told that if you have multiple first name, then sort based on the last name. But in which order?
Descending.
Descending order.
Descending order.
Descending order. So here, which one you will? So here, Raj Kumar, Raj Karan, or Raj Kishore. Which one you will place at the top?
Rajkumar.
Rajkumar.
Raj Kumar, because K is same. Then U,
You.
A, and I. So in descending order, you will be placed on the top. So you will keep Raj Kumar. Okay. After Raj Kumar, which one you will place? Raj Karan or Raj Kishore?
Rajkishore.
Rajkishore.
Raj Kishore. Okay. Then Raj Karan. So hope this scenario is clear. Requirement is clear, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have Suraj Mathur and Suraj Mukherjee. They have the same first name. So based on the first name, can engine take any decision?
No.
No. So then what engine will do? It will consider the last name, but in descending order. So which record you will keep on the top?
Suraj Mukherjee.
Suraj Mukherjee. Because you, after him, we have you. So you will come. And descending order, you will be placed on top in A. Okay. Fine. Rohan Sharma, Rohit Kumar. This is clear, no? This will be as it is, right? Okay. So
Yes.
this is the expectation of my manager. Okay. So now I will write a query. So in this query, I will write last name DSC descendant. Okay. And let me run this query and then we will discuss the output. This is your output. Now, ignore the query. We will discuss it. Don't worry. So is this output as per the requirement? Are the outputs same? Please
Yes, sir.
verify this.
Yeah.
Output is same. So here, what is the meaning of this query? Here we are telling SQL engine to sort based on the first name. Okay. After first name and before comma, have I mentioned anything ascending or descending?
No.
No.
No, not mention anything. It means engine has to sort the data based on first name in ascending order. If you're not writing anything, by default, engine will understand that I have to sort based on the ascending order. Okay. So it will sort based on the first name in ascending order. Then engine will see here that we have multiple Raj. Then what engine will do? Engine will check that whether user has given any other condition. So yes, user has mentioned here that if you have multiple records with the same first name, then you have to consider the last name. But in which order? Descending order. So here Raj Kumar, Raj Kishore, Raj Karan. You see, Kumar, you, then I, then A. So it is in descending order, no? So here first name is in ascending order, but last name is in descending order. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can well. Yeah. Tell me, Preeti.
Tanvir, like, what do I do if I have to do the descending for both? Like, do I need to individually
That we will
give?
discuss. That we will discuss. Let me complete this first. Good question. That we'll discuss after this. Okay. So similarly, you have Suraj Mukherjee and Suraj Mathur. Okay, you both have the same first name. Then the last name we have placed Mukherjee and then Mathur. You comes first and then A. So hope this is clear, guys. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now suppose the question is, my manager is telling that Tanvir, I have a new requirement. I want to sort the data based on first name in descending order. Okay, based on first name in which order? Descending order. And if multiple records have the same first name, then please sort based on the last name, that as well in descending order. Is the question clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you have to sort based on the first name, but in descending order. And if multiple records have the same first name, then you have to sort based on the last name, that as well in descending order. So for that, what you have to do, after first name, write DSC. And then after last name, write DSC. Now there is a misconception here. Many students, when I take interview, many students, they fail here. They think that this descending DSC is applicable on last name as well as first. This is a misconception. Okay. So if you're writing DSC here, this DSC is applicable only on last name. Okay. After first name, have you written anything? No, we have not written anything. So by default, engine will sort based on the first name in ascending order. If you want to sort based on the first name and descending orders, then you have to write DSC here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So during the course, you will see that we'll be discussing a lot of misconceptions what we have in SQL. So those are very important. Generally, interviewer they used to ask questions from those misconceptions as well. They want to check that how strong you are in SQL from those misconceptions perspective. Okay. So now I'm executing this query and I want you guys to observe and tell me whether the output is as per the requirement or not. Now, this is the output. Take your time, be relaxed. Don't be in a hurry and tell me, is this as per the requirement?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here what you are telling to SQL engine to sort the data based on first name, but in which order? Descending order, right? So in descending order, T will come first, then S, then R, right? So in T, Tom Henry, you have displayed at the top, right? Then Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur. Why Suraj Mukherjee has been placed before Suraj Mathur? Why?
In descending order, it was sorting. MU.
Because here we have mentioned that if the first name you have the same value, same record, then consider last name column. Okay, then consider last name column, but in which order? Descending order. So that's when Suraj Mukherjee and Suraj Mathur, you will come first, then A. That's where Suraj Mukherjee has been placed before Suraj Mathur. Similarly, you can see in Raj Kumar, Raj Kishore, and Raj Karan. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tanvi,
Now,
like when
yeah.
I like it is just two fields, like I made it as descending. If I have to descend it for the whole row, how do I do that? Like, do I need to list all the columns and then give descending for each column?
What you told if we have two, sorry, can you repeat?
So it is just two fields, like we are giving the order by and descending. If I need to consider for the whole
You have to give all the column names. Suppose if you want to sort based on 5 columns, you have to give all the column names here. That is mandatory.
okay. So each and every column do I have to give descending
Yes,
that?
after comma, you have to write the next column. Again, after a comma, you have to write the next column. You have to mention all the column names, but generally, as per my experience so far, what I have seen is hardly we use 2 or 3 columns for sorting, not more than that. But to answer your question, suppose if you have any specific requirement where you want to sort based on 5 columns or 10 columns, then explicitly you have to write all the column names here, one by one, separated by comma.
Okay.
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 Any question? Any other question? Anyone?
I have one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Actually, if we know if we want to sort only the first name in descending and the last name in ascending, then we need to give only first name in descending, right?
Correct. So now suppose, so Ayush is telling that Tanvir, I want to sort first name in descending order and then last name in ascending order. Then you remove from here. So the meaning of this query is you want to sort based on the first name in descending order. And then if there is a conflict, then based on the last name. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is the meaning. So first of all, engine will sort based on the first name in descending order. So Tom Henry will be on the top. Now you tell me, Suraj Mukherjee or Suraj Mathur, which one you will place on the top?
Suraj Mathur.
Suraj Mathur, good. Suraj Mukherjee, okay. Then Rohit Kumar, Rohan Sharma will be there. There is no conflict. Now here, Raj Kumar, Kishore and Karan, which one you will keep on the top?
Raj Karan.
Raj Karan. Then
Raj Kishore.
Raj Kishore. then Rajkumar.
Kumar.
Okay, now I will run this query and please verify the output. Please verify the output. Are the outputs same?
Yes.
Okay, so hope it is clear. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very interesting thing here. I have written here DSC. So this descending is for which column I am highlighting here? First name or last name?
First name.
First name.
First name only. First name only. Don't think that this is applicable on last name as well. No. After last name, have I mentioned anything? No. So
No.
last name is ascending order. Okay. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will show you for some other set of data. I will drop this table. Create new table now. Raj, now consider this data. Okay. Again. Listen very carefully. I'll show you some other scenarios now. Oh, this is our new employee table. For this table, for this data, okay. Now, if I'm writing this query, select star from employee, order by first name, comma, last name, descending. First of all, I will not execute this query. Tell me the meaning of this query. What is the meaning?
So first name, it will be ordered sorted by the in ascending order. And if there is a common between the, then we'll sort the last name by the descending order. So first name is ascending and
Okay.
last name is descending.
Okay. Any other thought, anyone? What is the meaning of this query? Many times in interview, the reverse engineering will happen. Reverse engineering means the interviewer will give you a query and they will tell you that, okay, tell me the meaning of this query, what user is trying to extract. Why? Because many times when you're joining a project, okay, and sometimes happens that they will not be having a proper documentation, then they will give you SQL queries only, and they will tell you that these are the queries. From this, try to understand the requirement. Okay, so that is why you have means many times from query you have to understand what is requirement, and sometime interviewer can ask you this kind of question as well. Now, the meaning of this query is we are telling SQL engine to sort based on the first name. Now, in which order, ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending. Then why I have written last name descending here? What is the meaning of this?
The last name should be descending.
Come on, guys, tell me why I have written last name descending. What is the
If
meaning
there
of
are
this?
multiple first names that are similar.
If, good. If there is a conflict, if there are multiple records with the same first name, then engine will go to the last name column and in descending order. So do you think here is a conflict based on first name?
No.
Think, guys, there is a conflict based on first name, yes or no?
No.
No.
No. So do you think here engine will go for the last name column?
No.
No.
No. No. Okay. So I am running this query now. Please verify the output. This is the output. Listen very carefully. Now, this is the output. So in this query, we have told to sort based on the first name in ascending order. So do you think this is based on first name in ascending order?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any conflict based on the first name?
No.
No, there is no conflict. Then do you think engine will go to the last name column?
No, it doesn't go.
No. So here last name descending is actually of no use, right? This is of no use. You see, if I will run the same query, I will remove this last name. I will remove the last name. Now I'm running this query. Are you getting the same output? Are you getting the same output? Yes.
Yes.
So do you
Yes.
think this last name descending has any significance in this query?
It doesn't have any significance.
There is no significance. Now again, there is a misconception. Listen very carefully. Generally, people think that, okay, here the meaning is sort based on the first name in ascending order and last name in descending order. No, this is a big misconception. People think that the meaning of this query is based on first name sort in ascending order and based on last name sort descending order. So many times when I ask this question in interview, so the candidates, they will answer this. They will sort this on the first name. This is fine. They will keep it as it is. Okay. Now, last name, they will start sorting in descending order. Okay. The descending order means KLMNOPQRS. They will keep Sharma. Okay. Then KLMN M will come. No? Then they will keep Mathur. Okay. Then Kumar. Then this Kumar. Okay. Then Kumar, A, B, C, D, E. What I have missed here? KLMNOPQRS.
Franklin.
And Franklin will come, no? Franklin. And then they on do. So they will think that, oh, Tanvir, this should be the output. But do you think this is the correct output? No. So this is
No.
because you have understood the meaning of this query, means that is, you have not understood the correct meaning of this query. So this is a misconception. Don't think the meaning of this query is to sort first name based on ascending order and last name based on descending order. No. If you are sorting like this, you have totally changed everything. He was Benjamin Franklin. You change this to Benjamin Sharma, right? Correct? So what is the meaning of this query? Meaning is sort based on the first name. If there is a conflict, then consider the last name. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tanvi, if the OR field is numeric, then the same logic will apply.
Will come. That is the next topic.
Okay.
We'll discuss numeric, uppercase, lowercase, all after this. So far, any question, anyone?
No.
Hope it is clear so far.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you finding this complex or it's fine? You are able to understand. How is it so far?
It was fine then. We can understand.
So far, good. Okay.
Yeah.
So the moment you think, oh, Tanvir, this is going a little bit complex, so please let me know. Okay. Now after this, I have few other examples. Listen very carefully. Few more examples I want to show. Suppose now I have a table, input table I'm creating. Okay. And on this, I have val column, a column whose name is val. Okay. Or you can take any other you wish. So this table I have created. Now in this table, I want to insert some data, insert into input table values. Pick the value. Okay, so now here I have created an input table, and in this table we have val column. I will show you the data. Okay, so in this input table we have this data. Now in this you can see I have uppercase A, I have lowercase a, I have lowercase z, I have uppercase z, then I have 9, then I have 1. So it means in this data you have numbers, right? You can see you have numbers. You have uppercase, you have lowercase, okay? Now here I am writing order by val. First of all, tell me the meaning of this query. What is the meaning of this query?
It is order by number.
Order by number.
Is order.
Okay.
All the values.
Based on the value column.
Values here.
Sorting the order.
Ascending order.
So here we are telling SQL engine to sort the data based on the val column in ascending order. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm executing this query. Now this is the output. Okay. Now here, why the numbers has been placed before alphabets? Second question. Why the uppercase A and uppercase Z has been placed on top of lowercase a and lowercase z? You might be thinking this, right?
Yes.
Correct now?
Right.
So actually what happens when you are sorting the data, when you are telling SQL engine to sort the data, actually SQL engine tries to find the ASCII value. Okay, there is a concept of ASCII. It stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. So what they have done, they have given a code for each and every character. Okay, like suppose I will show you here. Select ASCII value. Suppose I want to find ASCII value of A on Google. So this will give me the ASCII value of A. What is the value? 65. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find ASCII value of lowercase a, what is the value? 97. Okay. And if you want to find uppercase z, what is the value? 90. If you want to find lowercase z, 122. Nine is 57. One is how much? 49. Okay. So actually each and every character, they have a ASCII value. Okay. And the same value you will see if you will run this query in your machine as well. This is a standard value. Okay. So when you are telling SQL engine to sort the data based on the val column or any other column, I have told you first name and last name, any other column. So what engine does is, first of all, it will find the ASCII value. So when you are telling here SQL engine to sort based on the val column, so first of all, in val column, what all values or what all data you have, it will find the ASCII value. Okay. Now this is the ASCII value. So now it will sort based on the ASCII. Now tell me, you are sorting here based on the ascending order, no? So which one you will place at the top if you're talking about the ascending order? 49, correct? 49 is one. So that's why if you will see when I will run this query, one will be placed at the top. One is at the top. After 49, which value you will take?
57. I mean 9.
57. 57 is 9. That's why you have 9. After 57, which value?
65.
65.
65. 65 means uppercase A. You have uppercase A here. After 65, 90. 90 means uppercase Z. So you have uppercase Z here. After 90, 97, lowercase a. So you have lowercase a here. After 97, 122. 122 means lowercase z. Lowercase z here. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so engine sorts the value based on the ASCII. Okay, is this clear, guys?
Sir, I
Uh,
have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, in order by class, if I use upper key and function,
Upper function you want to use in order by clause.
yeah.
We'll discuss it. Just let me complete this. Was good question. We'll
Yeah.
discuss it. Okay,
Yeah.
good question.
Thank
From this, do you have any question, anyone? From
Tanvir,
this, what?
I have. So it considers a ASCII value because you defined it as a var data type, varchar data type.
No. Whatever it may be, varchar, integer, any data type, it will calculate the ASCII value. Now you see in this val column, I have number, I have integer, everything. It will find the ASCII value. Suppose, let me make it a little bit more interesting. Suppose I have a special character here. At the rate, right? Okay. Suppose this is there. So what engine will do? First of all, engine will find the ASCII value of at the rate. Okay. So find the ASCII value of at the rate. 64. Okay. Now I will execute this query. 64 means after 49 and 57 means after 1 and 9 you will get 64. So you see after 1 and 9 you have at the rate. Is this clear?
Yes.
So whatever value you have, whatever data you have, first of all, engine internally, you don't know that it is happening internally. Okay, internally, engine calculates the ASCII value and then it will give you the output. Hope it is clear the concept of ASCII, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I have
Good.
doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead. Who has asked first?
Yes, sir, I will share.
Yeah, you please go ahead.
Yes, sir, if we have number 12 or something like alphabet AB, so we have the like ASCII value for AB also like, and number 12.
12 and AB. You mean that I have number 12, right?
12, yeah.
And then I have A and B both.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, okay. Same thing will happen. Suppose you have here number 12. Okay. And then you have a data which is AB. Lowercase a, lowercase b, or uppercase a, uppercase b. Which one you want?
Lowercase.
Lowercase or lowercase b. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check whether this record has been inserted or not. If you have 12, we have lowercase or lowercase b. Okay. So first of all, engine will find the ASCII value. 12 is the value 49. Okay. Then it will find the ASCII value of lowercase a, lowercase b. What is the value? 97. Okay. Then now it will sort it. Now check the output. You have 1, then 12, then 9, and all this thing. This is exactly based on the ASCII value. Now, here you will be thinking that Tanvir 1 is having value 49 and 12 also having value 49, right?
Yes.
So here what will happen when there is a conflict, again, same thing will come into picture. After 1, do you have any value here? No. But here after 1, you have value 2. So that's why it will keep 1 first, then 12. Similarly, here in AB and lowercase a, it is 97 and it is again 97. Both are same. It will check this is A only, but this is A and B. So it will place A first and then A and B. Is this clear?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Any other question? I think someone was asking question.
Yes, sir. So my doubt is, what if in the case of any float or decimal numbers?
Float or decimal, same thing will happen. Although I have not covered that. So just give me some time when I will discuss that float or decimal, but the behavior will be exactly same based on the ASCII.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
Sir, hello. I have a
Yeah.
question.
Hmm.
I think Preeti also asked why there are like numbers and special characteristic comes under varchar. Can you please elaborate? I didn't get it. The
Sure.
reason.
So varchar, I think in the first or second class, I forgot. So I have mentioned that varchar column, no, varchar column can accept numbers, can accept special characters, can accept letters. It can accept alphanumeric as well. Okay, suppose if you have alphanumeric data like this 1, 2, J, something alphanumeric, it can accept alphanumeric as well. Now see, this is also accepted. Okay. So varchar can accept anything. Now you will be thinking that if varchar can accept numbers, everything, then why you are using integer? You use varchar always, right? There is a specific reason from performance perspective. We will discuss it and discuss data type. Okay, you see here, you have stored alphanumeric as well. Have I answered your question? Or you
Yes,
asking
thank you.
something different? I answered something. Okay, clear,
No,
right?
no, no.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, good. So varchar can accept anything, alphabets, numbers, special characters, alphanumeric. But your question, if you're thinking your question is valid, that Tanvir, if varchar can accept everything, then why you're using integer and all those things? Let's use varchar for all the columns. There is a specific reason for that. When I will teach you data typing, then we'll discuss it in detail. Okay. Shall I proceed further?
I have one follow-up question on the
Yeah,
ASCII
sure.
value.
Sure.
Yeah,
Hmm.
one person has asked about the ASCII value for A, B, and A. 12. So is it like the first character ASCII value is first compared and then it takes the second character and it compares?
Correct. You are absolutely right. It will take the first character if you have multiple characters, like in this examples, when you have multiple characters. So same thing, it will check the first character ASCII. If it is same, it will check the second character ASCII, then third character ASCII, like that one. Is this clear?
Thank you.
Now I want to have a new set of data. I will drop this employee table. Okay, hope it is making sense, guys. Are you able to understand what I'm telling, what I'm teaching?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
was
sir.
fine.
Yes.
Yes.
No, thank you. Good. So now suppose I have a new table, create table employee. And in this table, I have only one column, full name. Okay. And this is varchar 50. Feel free to ask question. So now insert into employee. We have values. Okay. Suppose the value is Joseph Hint. The value is Now suppose this is the data. Okay. And the question here is, please sort the data based on the full name in ascending order. Okay. So I'll write this query, select a star from employee, ordered by full name, right? Correct now? So I have to sort this data in ascending order. So I will write order by full name. Now I will not run this query. Okay. I will not run this query. I want you guys to tell me that if I will run this query, what should be the output? You guys have to explain that. This is the data and this is your query. Now tell me, if I will execute this query, which record should be placed on the top?
Capital letters starting from first, it will given in first position.
Dilip
Good.
Kumar. Yeah.
Good. See,
Dilip
I will
Kumar
tell.
capital.
See, one thing I will tell you. Uppercase A 65, uppercase Z 90. So all the letters between A to Z, which is in uppercase, will lie between 65 and 90. You don't have to remember it. Don't worry. Okay. So it will lie before this. All the letters between lowercase a to lowercase z will lie between 97 to 122. So it means all the uppercase should be placed on top of all the lowercase. Is this clear?
Yes, indeed.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So now in this data, now you guys tell me here this J. Okay, no, you guys tell me which one you will place at the top here.
Dilip Kumar. D in caps.
Dilip
In
Kumar,
capital.
which one? D capital. Okay,
Yes.
place this on the top. Okay. Then after Dilip Kumar, which data?
The first row, Joseph Kent, caps.
Joseph Kent, caps.
Okay, caps. Okay, then
Yusuf Khan,
third one.
caps. This one, yes.
caps. Okay, then
Dilip Kumar, small.
if all the uppercase you have segregated, right? In
Yes.
one place we have placed it. So now lowercase Dilip Kumar, and then
Joseph Kent,
Joseph Kent,
and then Yusuf Khan.
then Yusuf Khan. Okay, this is as per our understanding. Now let me run this query and verify the output. Is this output as per our understanding? Please verify.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you understood how engine sorts data in ascending or descending order based on the case, like uppercase, lowercase. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now means many times when I have asked this question, especially for the junior roles. So those who don't know the concept of ASCII, they will think that, oh, Tanvir Dilip Kumar and Dilip Kumar, it will be placed together. Then Joseph Kent, then Yusuf Khan, Yusuf Khan. No, these all are misconceptions. Okay. So now you are clear with this. Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir. Can we check order by class upper function, sir?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will come to that. This is
Yeah.
clear, guys, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there is another question that, okay, Tanvir, you have shown for this order by full name, and in your data you have mixed uppercase, lowercase, all the records you have. Now I want to execute this query. Let me write it here. Okay, first of all, I'm not asking the output, so please don't tell me the output of this query, okay? I'm asking you to tell me the meaning. Just tell me what is the meaning of this query. I'm asking the meaning of this query. Who will explain the meaning of this query?
Convert
So
all the
here,
data.
Convert
this
Convert all the
data.
data to
Ah.
uppercase.
yes.
Convert all the data into uppercase. Good. Then after that,
And order by
And
ascending.
Then sort by
sorted by
ascending order.
ascending order.
good, good, very good. So what is the meaning of upper I taught you?
Yes.
What is the meaning of upper? I taught you yesterday. What is the meaning of upper? What I taught you?
Converting.
It will capitalize all the
Upper means
characters.
it will just convert the data in uppercase. That is what I have told you, right? Correct now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now check the output here. I will not execute the query. First, try to understand the meaning of this. Okay. Now here you are telling where is our order of execution? What is that order of execution? I've written somewhere. Yeah. This is our order of execution. Let me get this here. This will be used. Order of execution. Let me keep it here. I thought this will be used very class and this. Okay. So now in this order of execution, here in this query, which keyword you will execute first?
From.
From employee. It means you want to check you want to copy the employee table. So fine, you have this employee table. Okay. Now here, what you want to do? What you want to do here, guys?
Sort it and like capitalize it uppercase.
From is done. After from,
Yes.
what you will do?
Select.
So from which keyword?
Select.
Select. So you have to select the columns what you want to display. So here you have only one column. So you will display this column. Okay, this is fine. After select, order by, right? What is the meaning of order by? To sort the data in some particular order, either ascending or descending. The moment the engine will reach this order by, the engine will understand that, oh, user wants to sort the data. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Engine will understand that, oh, Tanvir wants to sort the data here. That is fine. Then engine will search that, okay, Tanvir wants to sort based on which column. Oh, Tanvir has written here upper full name. Okay. It means the user is telling me to first of all convert full name in uppercase. All right. First of all, convert full name in uppercase. So I will convert full name in uppercase first of all. If you remember the same thing I taught you when I was teaching you upper and lowercase. So is everything is converted in uppercase here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now then engine will think that, oh, actually user is telling me to convert all the data in uppercase and then sort it. Now if you will sort this in ascending order, so which one you will keep on the top? Dilip Kumar?
Yeah.
Now which Dilip Kumar, this one or this one?
Anyone.
They both are same.
Both are
They
same,
both
so-
are same. So engine can keep anyone, either this or either this. Okay. So let me keep this one here. Then this one. Okay. Dilip Kumar is over. Then Joseph Kent. Again, they both are exactly same here. So engine will take anyone from here. Then Yusuf Khan, they both are same. It can take anyone. So here, when you will execute the output, net, you will see that all the Dilip Kumar will be together, all the Joseph Kent will be together, and all the Yusuf Khan will be together. Now I'm executing this output. Please verify. Now this is your output. Dilip Kumar is together, Joseph Kent is together, Yusuf Khan is together. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you see in this Dilip Kumar, the lowercase d they have kept on the top. But in Joseph Kent, the uppercase they have kept on the top. Why? Because they both are actually same. You have mentioned upper. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
It is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay. No questions, right?
No.
Now let me proceed further. I'm proceeding with the assumption, not sure is this assumption or what, that you guys have understood what all I have taught you so far. Okay. I'm proceeding further. Now I have this country table, okay. And this country table, you can see I have all this data. I want to delete two data. Let me delete Nepal from here. Want to keep it simple. Let me delete Indonesia from here. Let me delete Sri Lanka from here. Let me keep the data simple. Okay. Now here, if I want to sort the data in ascending order, what will be the query? This one. Now, do you think this data is sorted in ascending order? I think I have asked it a question.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? That was sorted in ascending order. One. This is your country table. So do you think this is sorted in ascending order? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is the query and this is the data and this is sorted in ascending order. You all agree, right? No. Now, if I will write this BSC, so you know the meaning is we want to sort the data in descending order, correct? Now, is this sorted in descending order?
Yes.
Yes. Now it is clear, you all know this, right? Ascending and descending story is clear to you, correct? Okay. Now my question is, I want to sort data in such a way that India should be displayed at the top. Is my question clear? I want to sort data in such a way so that India should be placed at the top. Now tell me, should I use ascending or descending?
Ascending. No.
Descending.
No.
Okay. Which one? Is my question clear first of all?
Yeah.
I'm asking, I want to place India on the top. Okay, many times you will see that when you're filling an online form, they will ask for your nationality. Okay. And many times you will see by default, they will keep India on the top and all other countries, then that will be in ascending order, right? So suppose you are designing the same table and you have to keep India on the top. Then which one you will use, ascending or descending, guys?
Case
None of them,
statement,
right?
Yes,
No,
none of
here
them.
none of them you can use, right? Neither ascending nor descending, nothing is working here. Is this clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Not to sort this, not to solve this question, we will use case statement. So what is case statement? Let's try to understand it. Select the star from country, order by. Then I will write case. What is this case? We will discuss it. This is very useful. And during the entire course, you will see multiple times we will use the case. Okay. So I will write here order by case when name. I will explain the query, don't worry. And please don't try to understand the query. I will explain it. India, then one else two and okay. Now I have written some query. So ignore this. Okay, this is the query I have written, and this is the output. Now tell me, is this output as per the expectation, as per the requirement?
Yeah.
Now India is on the top, no? India is on the top, right? This
Yes.
was the question, no? Right?
Yes.
So we have placed India on the top. I tried with order by name ascending. I tried with order by name descending. None of these queries has given the expected or the required output. And I have written this small piece of code and I got this India on the top. Now let's try to understand how this query is working. Okay. Here I have written order by. What is the meaning of order by? To sort the data, correct? The meaning of order by is to sort the data. After order by, generally in all the previous example, you will see that I have given a column name, right? But here I have not given any column name. So what I have done here, I have written first of all case. Now, first of all, let's try to understand the meaning of case. Case is like a condition. Case is like a condition. I'm giving certain conditions to the SQL engine that, okay, if this is the condition, do this. If this is the condition, do this. If this is the condition, do this. Like many times, if you go to market, like parents, they used to instruct their children, right? Okay, if you're not getting this, food item or this product, then go for this brand. If this is not available, go for this brand, right? So they're instructing their children that, okay, if this is available, do this, do that, right? It means on certain conditions, take certain actions, right? So that is case. So you are telling SQL engine that if this is the scenario, do this. If this is the scenario, do this, like that. At least I think at a very high level, you understood what is case, right? So here in case, I have written case when name is equal to India, then one. First of all, let's try to understand the meaning of this. Case when name is equal to India, then one. The meaning of this is I am telling SQL engine that SQL in the name column, if you find the data India, take it, okay, and keep that in a bucket. The bucket number should be 1. So engine will create a bucket here. So engine will create bucket and keep the name of this bucket as 1. This is bucket 1. In this bucket 1, you have placed India. This is the meaning of case when name is equal to India, then 1. It means wherever data is India, please place all those data in bucket 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it
Yeah.
is very simple. Means when name is equal to India, then 1, it means create a bucket with the name 1. And within that bucket, please place India. That I have done. Okay. After that, I have, no, okay, I will not proceed further. Any questions so far?
Yes, actually, just you applied the case when I put the India as a first, and after that, which order the SQL picked, like it's coming Pakistan, Russia, then Afghanistan. I think it should be first Afghanistan.
That I have not discussed. No? That I have not discussed
Oh yeah,
so
okay,
far.
okay.
That I have not discussed. From this, if you have any question, please ask.
No.
No questions. Everything is clear so far, everyone. Yes, Sukhdev,
Like
you want to ask?
this
Hmm,
values 1 and 2, I mean, does
Are
this
buckets.
yeah, does this internally tells the engine like some boolean values, like if this is the case, this might be the true, and then if that's not.
No. This is not that Boolean true or false. No. This is not that. I've never told here that this is Boolean. This is just the numbering, bucket 1, bucket 2. This is not the Boolean value. So Boolean is entirely different. Okay. Hope I answered. Supriya?
Yeah, But can you please explain about this bucket thing?
This bucket is just a container, bucket or box, anything you want to keep India within this box or bucket.
Okay.
Maybe we are segregating the data, so I want to keep India in bucket number 1. This is nowhere related to Boolean. Okay, fine. Then we have written else. What is the dictionary meaning of else? Apart from that, the remaining one, right? That is the meaning of else, right? Apart from India, what all values are there? All these values are there, right? So for the remaining set, of values, what I'm setting SQL engine, that's SQL else 2. It means please place the remaining set of values in bucket 2. So now your engine will create another bucket, which is bucket number 2, and it will place all the remaining values in this bucket. So this is your bucket number 2. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one replacement in the query. In else statement.
No. Oh, okay. Go ahead.
In else part, you are using 2, right? Even we can use the column name as well, right? Instead of 2.
Instead of 2, you can use the column name. No, you cannot use the. Let me complete this first.
Okay.
Okay, let me complete this scenario, and then you can ask. Okay. From this any question, no new scenarios. From this any question. Once I will complete, then you ask any scenario. But from this, do you have any question? Whatever I taught so far.
Hi Tanvir, yes. Actually, I have a doubt. So, in the country table, we have United Kingdom, Singapore, Russia. But when we got the output, we have Pakistan, Russia, Afghanistan.
Where
How
is the
exact?
output? Have I shown any output so far?
Oh no. Okay. You've just written it. Okay.
Not shown output. I'm
Okay.
just telling that so far, whatever I have done so far, just India is in bucket number 1. Else means all the remaining countries in bucket number 2.
Okay. So it
Any
can be
other
in
question?
any order. Okay. Thanks.
That I have not discussed so far. I've
Okay.
just told that India is in bucket number 1. This can be, maybe Afghanistan will be here. That is possible.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Pakistan will be here. Just randomly I have picked it. Any order. I have not told any order here.
Thank you.
No problem. Any other question so far? Okay. Shall I proceed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after this, I have mentioned here end. End means you are telling SQL engine that I don't have any other condition. That's all I have. End is mandatory whenever you're using case. If you will not write end, and the engine will throw error message. That is mandatory. And the meaning of end is you are telling SQL engine that I don't have any other condition. That's all I have. Okay. So far clear? Now you have 2 buckets, bucket number 1, bucket number 2. In bucket number 1, you have India. In bucket number 2, you have all these values, Afghanistan, Russia, Pakistan, and this value is totally random, guys. Don't think that why Tanvir has placed Afghanistan on the top. If you want, you can keep Singapore on the top. There is no logic here, just randomly I place these values, okay? Fine. Now, here, have you mentioned anything ascending or descending here?
No.
No. So if you have not mentioned ascending or descending, then in which order engine will sort it by default? What is the order?
Ascending.
Okay. This we have discussed already, that if you have not mentioned any particular order, engine will sort that in ascending order. That we all know. Good. Now, listen very carefully. Now, here you have 2 buckets. Bucket number 1, in that you have India. Bucket number 2, you have all the remaining countries in any order. Now here, engine will not sort the data. Here the engine will not sort the data. Here your engine will sort the bucket. This is very important concept here. Here engine will not sort the data. It will sort the bucket in ascending order. So in ascending order, which bucket will come on the top? Bucket number 1. So that's why engine will take this bucket number 1. It will place it on the top, then bucket number 2 afterwards. So now see, India came on the top now. So that's why when you will execute this query, now see, when I will execute this query, that's the reason India is on the top. But all the other countries, it can be in any order. We have not decided that it can be in any order. But India is on the top because you have placed India in bucket number 1. Bucket number 1 in ascending order will be on the top. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, Sunil.
Yeah.
I have one question. So these bucket numbers you have given, because ASCII value of 1 is
Yes.
like lower than.
Yes, everything will be based on ASCII only, you're right.
Okay.
Is this clear? Is this clear, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. Now, hope you have understood this. Now, suppose, listen very carefully. Suppose I will change this number. Don't tell the output. Please hold on. I have swapped the number. I will not run this query. First of all, let's analyze this. Very important to analyze the query. Okay, fine. Order by meaning is to sort the data. Okay. You have written case. What is the meaning of case? Meaning of case is you have certain condition and based on that you are telling SQL engine to take some action, right? That is the meaning of case. Okay. You are telling here the case when name is equal to India, then to what is the meaning of this?
To place India at the bottom.
Second bucket.
Good. The meaning is please place India in bucket number 2. Okay, so I'll place India in bucket number 2 here. 1 minute goes. So India I place in bucket number 2. Okay, clear? Okay. Fine. Else, what is the meaning of else?
Apart from
Remaining.
Apart
from India. Apart from India. That is a dictionary meaning. Else, apart from India. Okay. So what you want to do with the countries which are apart from India?
Place in bucket 1.
Good. We want to place in bucket number 1 all the remaining countries. So I will take all the remaining countries and I will place this in bucket number 1. Okay. So let me create a bucket here. So this is bucket number 1. Here I will place all the remaining countries. So far clear? You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have mentioned end. The meaning of end is this is the end of case statement. I don't have any other condition. It is very important to understand the meaning of each and every keyword. This is where I have seen the candidates during interview, they fail. Okay, so very important to understand the meaning. And then this will help you to write complex SQL queries. Okay. Now, have you mentioned? Okay, yeah, please ask. Okay,
like that doesn't orders the remaining bucket 1 or bucket 2 like the, so we are giving the case when name is equal to India. So doesn't that order the remaining data in the other bucket?
No, I have not told that. I have not told that this means the order the data. What I told you, I told that this means order the bucket. I have never told that this means ordering the data. Have I mentioned that anyway? No. I just mentioned here that this means order the bucket. So bucket number 1 will be on the top. Bucket number 2 will be after that. I have not mentioned that this will sort the data, right? That is a good scenario. That no, Tanvir, okay, you placed India on the top here, no, but I want all the countries should be in ascending order. That is a different use case. We will discuss it, okay. But I'm not discussing that as of now.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now here, have you mentioned ascending or descending?
No.
No. Okay, so by default,
No.
engine will
By
take which
default,
order?
Ascending.
ascending order.
Ascending order, good. By default, engine will take this ascending order. So what engine will sort here, data or bucket?
It's
Bucket.
Buckets.
Bucket.
So in ascending order, which bucket you will keep on the top?
first bucket.
Bucket number one. So bucket number one will be on the top. Then bucket number two, which is India. Now, within bucket number one, this data can be in any order. Maybe Pakistan will come on the top, maybe Russia, maybe Afghanistan, maybe United Kingdom, any order. I'm not talking about the data. But one thing is damn sure. India will be at the last because it is in bucket number two. You're sorting in ascending order, so India will be at the last. Is this clear?
Yes.
Sir,
Is
I
this
have
clear, everyone? Ah,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we asked.
whenever we will
Hmm.
execute a case command,
Hmm.
so do we have
Mhm.
to write 1 and 2, or is there anything else we can write?
Oh, you can write anything else. We will discuss it. We will discuss. And that's what before starting case, I told that this case is a very generic thing. Right now, I'm teaching you this case in order by. Then I will show you the use of case in select, then use of case in cumulative sum, and use of case in joins. Many other scenarios are there. And it is not mandatory to write 2 or 1. For this particular use case, you are giving this instruction. Okay, you can give any instruction to the engine, it will perform accordingly. Here you can do some calculation, plus, minus, multiplication, anything. Okay, it is your wish. Okay, have I answered your question?
Yeah, one more question. So we have to arrange India at the top. So this is the only command, but 2 or 1, or we can write any other command as
You can write any other command. I will show you all the other commands. Many scenarios are there. I will show you one by one. Let me complete this first. Okay.
well. Okay.
So India will be on the bottom. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
You all agree, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I am running this query now. Please verify the output. Is India at the bottom?
Yes.
Hope you understood so far. Is this clear?
Yes, Tanvir.
I repeat, is this clear, guys?
I have one question regarding
but
the order of
okay, okay.
execution here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, because select comes before order by. So order by didn't happen, and does it first select the things?
It
I'm
will
little
first
bit
select. It will first select the column what you want to display. Here I've written select a star. It means it will select the column name first of all. Okay. Then here in this column, what all sorting you want to do, then on this column it will do the sorting. So select come first, and then you have to do ordering on that. Is that what you're asking?
Yeah. So select means it will only select the column name, but then the data will be like ordered by.
Correct. We have discussed that yesterday. Select means just to display, nothing else. So whatever you want to display, it will select it. Then here it will sort it. Like suppose I went to a mall, okay, and I purchased some stationery items, some food items, some drinks, some clothes, okay, and then everything I will keep in a bag, right? And when I will come into my house, then I will segregate it, no? All the departmental items I will keep it maybe in the kitchen, right? The books I will keep in the shelf. Then I will segregate it. That exactly same. First of all, you're selecting whatever you want, then order, then you will sort it. Is that clear, Sharon?
Yep. Thank you very much.
Okay, good. And guys, I will recommend everyone that you should challenge it. Don't digest whatever I'm teaching. If you think that no, Tanvir, I don't agree with this, you should feel free to challenge it. Okay, don't think I will take it in a negative way. No, and that is the best way to learn any language or anything. You should challenge it. That no, I don't think this should happen this way. This should happen that way. No, this scenario, it's not clear. Tell me that scenario. So that is the best way to learn anything, okay? Sometime it will happen. I will tell you that, okay, please wait for some time. I will cover it. So once that is over, still if you think that has not been covered, then please remind me, okay? So is this clear, guys? This part is clear?
Yes.
Is this part clear? You
Yes, sir.
understood this? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, good. Now suppose my manager or the client is telling. So you understood the significance of this 2 or 1 or anything, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, let's see first of all a few more examples. Suppose if I will write here 200, okay, and this is 1000, then can you tell me the output of this query?
Yeah, India will be at the
India will
top.
be on the top and the remaining all will be in the bottom.
After
Okay, what is the meaning of this query? What will happen here?
it will arrange
What will happen?
India.
India will be placed on the first bucket number 200.
Bucket number 200, you will be having India. Okay, then?
And the remaining
The
all
remaining
records will be on the bucket number 1000.
Good. The remaining countries will be in bucket number 1000. Okay, so how you are sorting here? Ascending or descending?
Ascending order. So India will be on the top and remaining.
Okay. In ascending order, what you are sorting? Bucket or data?
buckets.
Buckets. So that's why India will be on the top and the remaining countries will be on the bottom. You see, India is on the top and the remaining countries are after India. Is this clear?
Yeah.
It is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just one last example. Now what will be the output?
India will be at the last.
Okay, because India is in bucket number 20,000 and all other countries are in 1,000. So 1,000 will be on the top, 20,000 will be on the bottom. So India is at the last. Hope it is clear now.
Yeah.
I repeat, it is clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, good. Now, and for this, you know that we have already discussed India will be on the top and remaining countries after India, right? Okay. Now, here, if I will write DESC, what is the meaning of this query? I'm not asking the output, I'm asking the meaning of this query. What is the meaning?
Will arrange
Order arrange in descending.
This is not the complete meaning. Who will explain the complete
Sort
meaning?
the bucket numbers in descending order.
Correct. This is sorting buckets. So see, during interview, many times we check your communication, how clearly you are telling, because ultimately you have to interact with the stakeholders, right? And you have to be very specific on your wordings. Here, Tanveer, SQL engine will sort the buckets in descending order. That you have to tell. If you just tell it will sort in descending order, what? What it is sorting? Data or bucket? That is not clear now. But it is sorting buckets here. In which order? Descending order. So now tell me where India will go. At the top, on the top, or at the last?
At the last.
Last. Now, okay. In bucket number 1, what do you have?
India.
India. Remaining countries in bucket number 2. So we are sorting in descending order. So remaining countries will be on the top and India will be at the last, right? So now check it. India is at the last. Now it is clear to everyone. No.
Yeah.
Not clear?
It's clear.
Clear, everyone? Okay, good. Now, if it is clear, then tell me one thing. Now, what will be the output? Take your time, think, and then tell me. I have replaced number with alphabets. Then what will be that?
Apart from India, just will come
India will
first
at
and India will be
Canada.
bottom.
Okay, India will be on the top. Okay, then.
No, no.
Uh,
I think
India will be at the
India will
end.
be at the bottom.
India
India will
will
be
be
at
at
the
the bottom.
bottom.
Okay, okay,
And
okay,
India
okay.
will be the
Hmm. Okay, okay. Hmm. Any other thought? Sorry, you will get error message. Okay, error message. Any other thought? Okay, good. So, before this example, I have shown you numbers, right? 100, 200, 1, 2, and all those things. It was clear cut, right? Now, here I have given alphabets, lowercase a, uppercase a. So that's what it is little bit confusing. When you're writing lowercase a, so engine will find the ASCII value of
ASCII
this.
value.
Yes. So what is the ASCII value of lowercase a? 97. So internally, your engine will convert this like this 97, and then uppercase A is 65. It will write here 65. Is this clear now? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me where you will place India, on the top or at the bottom?
Bottom.
At the bottom.
Bottom.
Bottom. Okay. Now you see, I will run the query. Please check that. I'm running this query. Please check the output. India is at the bottom. It's clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So hope you understood this concept of case in order by.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Now my manager is telling that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have placed India on the top, you have placed India on the bottom, you have shown multiple scenarios, that is fine. But my requirement is, I want to place India on the top, but the remaining countries in ascending order. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Want to place India on the top and the remaining countries in ascending order. I hope question is clear to everyone. No, question is not clear. Okay, let me explain. India on the top. Okay, so it means I want to place India here. The remaining countries in ascending order. So which one will come first? Afghanistan, right? Correct, no? Then China, correct? Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G. What will come then? Pakistan, right? Pakistan, then
Russia.
LMNOP, Russia. Okay. Russia, Singapore, then you have United Kingdom, right? So this is what my manager is telling, that when we place India on the top, remaining countries in ascending order. Is the question clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Question is clear. Okay, good. So now for this, what I will do, I think you are finding it difficult, right? Okay, I'll try to keep it a little bit simple. Okay, I will take a pause here. How is it so far? Are you finding it difficult to understand?
It was
No,
fine.
sir.
No, sir.
So far, fine, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, good. Then one else to end, then I will give comma, and then I will write name. I will tell you the meaning of this, don't worry. Tell you the meaning of this. So first let's try to understand. So here, the meaning of this is we want to place India in bucket number 1. This you all know, we have discussed in number of times. I place India in bucket number 1. This is clear, right? Okay. Else 2 means remaining countries in bucket number 2. So remaining countries are in bucket number. So I'm copying from here. Remaining countries in bucket number 2. Okay. So far clear? And then this is end, it means we have to end. Okay. After end, I have given ascending or descending anything?
No.
No. So it will sort in which order?
Ascending
order.
Ascending order, right? Okay, what? Data or bucket?
Bucket.
Buckets. So bucket number 1 will be on the top. Then you will get bucket number 2. Clear? So far clear? We have already discussed this, right?
Yes.
This is clear. Then you have given comma and name. This I want to explain actually. The meaning of this comma name is you are telling SQL engine that SQL now please go within each bucket and sort the data in ascending order. So engine will go within bucket number 1. So here you have only India, so there is no sense of sorting it. It will keep it as it is. Okay. Then bucket number 2, this needs to be sorted in ascending order. So within bucket number 2, it will sort the data in ascending order. So first of all, we have Afghanistan, then
China.
1 minute. Afghanistan, then China, right? Then China. And then after that, Pakistan, right? No? Pakistan, no. Then Singapore. Then Singapore. Then Russia. No, Russia, no. Russia.
And Russia.
Then Singapore.
Then United.
Then United Kingdom. So now your engine will sort the data within this bucket in ascending order. Then it will place it after India. This is how engine works. So India will be on the top. Remaining countries are sorted in ascending order. Now if you will check this output now, please verify the output. India is on the top. Remaining countries are sorted in ascending order. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Sir,
You
can
guys
you
are in-
explain
Yes,
once
sir.
again?
I will explain 1 minute. So meaning of this comma name is, okay, see, first of all, India we have placed in bucket number 1, else 2, remaining countries in bucket number 2. So far, is this clear? So far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have given comma name. So you are telling within each bucket, sort the data in ascending order. So first of all, in bucket number 1, you have India only. So it will, there is only one data, so there is no sense of sorting it. So it will keep India here only. Then engine will go within bucket number 2. Here you are sorting, you have to sort this in ascending order. So all the data will be sorted in ascending order. Then it will place bucket number 2 here. So automatically all the data will be sorted in ascending order, the remaining second bucket. This is what I told. Is this
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are a few more scenarios. We'll discuss it tomorrow. On Monday. Okay, today is Friday. We'll discuss on Monday. So I will stop here. But before attending class on Monday, please revise today's class. Else you will feel lost. Okay, because the class which will continue on Monday, we'll discuss these topics only. We'll continue order by few more scenarios are there. We'll discuss it. Okay.
Yeah.
So just I need 1 more minute. Okay. Quick feedback or suggestion. Are you finding the course little bit complicated, complex? You were under the impression that SQL is simple, but it is getting complex. How it is so far?
Sir, I have one question before giving the feedback about this case statement, sir.
Okay. I do one thing. Okay, I will continue this. I will stay in call.
Okay.
So let me complete this feedback session, then you can please ask. I will stay on this call only. We're not disconnected. Okay. Any feedback, guys? Because I have, okay, so far so good. Because I have to plan the course accordingly as per your interest and the infraction. Okay. Any other thought? How is the content? How is the presentation? How is the in-depth? How are the scenarios? Any question on that? Any suggestions on that or feedback?
So Tanvir, one question, like, for example, let's say we need to refer to any of the videos at any later point of time. So now you're sending the links, right? Is there a portal where we will be finding that, or We need to
You
save
see,
the.
I will explain you. Don't have to save anything. Actually, the first 2 or 3 classes video, we make it public, because what happens many times the participants, they will tell that Tanvir, I want to see the demo, I want to see the today's class. We will make it public. That will be accessible to everyone. And for that, you don't have to save anything. Just a playlist will be there on the, we have 2 channels. So the old channel, then there the videos will be public. Okay, you don't have to save anything. Just subscribe it or make a note of a playlist. That's all. From Monday onwards, all the recordings will be in private mode. Again, you don't have to save any list or anything. Firdaus, our admin, will give you that channel link. You just save that channel link, that playlist, that's all. Automatically in that playlist on a daily basis, you will see all the recordings will be added. You don't have to save anything.
Okay. So it's a YouTube channel.
It's a YouTube channel, but will give you private access. But when you're sharing your email ID, so on Monday, I think Firdaus will ask your email ID. You have to share the email ID through which you have registered on YouTube. That is very mandatory. In few batches, what happens? The participants, they will share some other email ID, and then they will tell that Tanvir, I'm unable to access the recording. I'm facing this problem. It is because they have not shared the correct email ID, which is registered on YouTube. So please make a note of this. Otherwise, you will also face problem, and we also have to struggle in finding out the root cause. Okay.
Okay, sure. And feedback so far, the sessions have been great. I mean, there's absolutely no issues from my side, at least.
Okay, good. Thanks. Any other suggestion where I need to modify or any other thing? Any other thoughts?
Yeah,
Fine, then.
definitely. They're really nice sessions and kind of eye openings. Like though we used SQL, I was not sure like it is being done in this way, like the SQL engine. So I liked it. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thanks. Why I'm asking for the feedback, because my sessions, the course duration is approx 50 hours or sometime maybe 55 hours. Okay. And the participants, they come back, they used to tell me that when we, certain guy or certain tutorial, they teach for 10 hours, 20 hours. So maybe some misunderstanding happens. So because we teach each and everything in detail, multiple scenarios, so that's why the session will be for 50 hours or 55 hours. Sometimes the scenarios will be a little bit complex because I will be teaching you the real-time scenarios, okay? So bear with us. The moment you think it is getting complicated or complex, so let me know, I will try to simplify it. But to keep the course simple, I cannot tell you only the straightforward or the plain vanilla scenario. No, okay. It's my responsibility to show you all the nut and bolt and screw of the system. So sometimes you might feel that, oh, this is complicated, but don't get frustrated. Especially I'm telling to the non-technical guys, okay? Down the line, keep on revising the class, keep on working on the assignments. Okay, it will be easy. Okay. So that's all from mine. Those who have questions, please stay on call. Those who want to drop, you can drop. We will connect on Monday. The same time, I will share the meeting invite in the same room. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Yeah, Sai Krishna, you're asking question. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, whenever we are using case statements, it will always sort in buckets. You mean whatever it may be the scenario in case statement.
Yes.
Okay, always
It
in
will
bucket.
sort always in terms of bucket. Then I have shown you this example now. We will discuss this in detail on Monday, that common name. This means that the engine will go within each bucket and then it will sort the data. That is the meaning.
Yeah.
Okay. This is not over. Few more scenarios are there. So we'll discuss it on Monday on few more scenarios of order by with case.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Any other question?
Yes, sir, I have doubt.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, sir, like from your assignment, like from where like we can practice more for SQL, like because this type of questions require practice, like apart from assignment, like if there is any site we can practice.
Okay, good question. First of all, I will strongly recommend. First of all, complete my assignment question. Why I'm telling with full confidence. Many of my candidates, many of my students, based on my assignment only, they have cracked multiple job offers. Okay, and with unbelievable package, 28 LPS, 75 LPS, 50 LPS. This has happened. Okay, so what I'm telling is, please trust on my assignment. Once you are done with this, then I will recommend, please go through my LinkedIn question. Those who are following me on LinkedIn, you might have seen I used to post question on LinkedIn. Okay, work on those questions. If you have completed by one way, try to think by another way. Once you are done with all those things, then I will give you some more questions. But first of all, and don't jump to my LinkedIn question now. First of all, complete my assignment question, because that we have designed in the levels of complexity. Don't directly jump to LinkedIn question. Again, those are a little bit complicated. So this is what I will strongly recommend to everyone. Otherwise, if you will start with a tough question or the complex question, you might think that, oh, this is complicated, I'm unable to solve, and that may demotivate you. That is my recommendation. But you are free if you want that. No, that way I want to practice from other side. Please go ahead to practice from any other side. I'm not stopping you, but this is the way how we suggest, because we have designed the course in an incremental fashion. Okay, step by step. Okay, that is what I will recommend. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Tanvir, I have a question. I put it on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
I have been running this code regarding to yesterday's assignment, and I'm getting the same outcome multiple times.
Multiple times. Okay, you
Yeah.
have, okay, let me see. You have tested department ID. Oh, it is because you know what happened actually when you are inserting the data, no. So by mistake, what has happened? You have run that same insert script multiple times. That is why you are getting duplicate record. Okay, do one thing. Okay, execute this query. I will tell you, drop table department. So that department table will be deleted. Then again, run that create a script and insert a script. Then you will not face this issue.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
It is
Yes, thank
because
you.
you have duplicate data in this table, because you have executed that insert script multiple times by mistake. That is why it is happening. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Okay. Any other question?
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
Tanvir. I have a question.
Yeah.
Like in order by we are using DESC, right, to sort the data in descending order. So the
Goodbye, we are
same,
using BSC. Good. Sorry, I missed to explain this. I understood your question. You are telling same DSC we are using for to describe the table, right? That is what
right,
you're
right.
asking, maybe?
You got
Okay. So actually, this is the question. Where is the question? The question was. See this one. Name a question number 13. Name a reserved keyword which has two different functionality in SQL. That is your DESC. DESC stands for describe. If you're using that for the table name, that will show you the structure. The DESC stands for descending. If you're using that in order, but good catch. And this is that question number 13. I hope I answered. That is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Sir, I
Any
have
other?
a doubt from yesterday's assignment. I
Assignments,
posted the
no.
picture.
Assignments, like generally we prefer to discuss in the beginning of the class, because many of the students, they have dropped. So please
Okay.
discuss assignment on the Monday in the very first half. Okay, we will start with the
Okay.
assignment discussion only. That's why today as well I told you that, okay, if you have any question from assignment, please ask, because now many of the students, they have dropped. Okay, so this is for
Yeah.
everyone. So whenever you have question from assignment, please ask in the beginning itself. Okay.
Tanvir, I joined today, so here just I can get the last two classes
Don't worry,
assignment.
everything will be shared. We will share everything again on the target group. Okay. But you have to wait for 2 to 3 hours. We'll share everything. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are still not getting, you please connect with Firdaus. You will find that Firdaus Pavin is the admin. She takes care of all those things, assignment, recordings, and all those things. She will share with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If still it is not working out, if still you're not getting, you please ping me. I will do something. Okay.
Tanvir, can you share this course content and the questions?
I have not shared. I think we have shared.
Yeah,
Let me share right now.
Sure.
we
Okay.
have
Let
that
me
one.
share it. Let me share right now again in the target group. No issues.
Thank you.
No issues.
Sir, actually we are discussing about DSC function which have two functionalities, right?
Yeah, DSC.
Yeah, but it was not applicable in all the flavors. I mean, vendors.
Oh, yeah, I agree. I agree. I have mentioned that yesterday as well. On the different vendors, there is approx 1% difference in the syntax. Yeah, I
But
agree.
it will work in only Oracle, right?
It will DSC with to describe it works only on Oracle. For other on the other platforms, there are different ways. So I will tell you that.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Fine
Tanvir,
then.
one question.
Okay. Yeah, Manikanta.
So in a table, we have a same data multiple times. So if you order something based on that field, so you said that the SQL engine don't follow any logic, right, to print.
Actually, there is a logic, row ID. Okay. But we don't teach. We don't teach it intentionally in the beginning, because if I will tell you that there is a concept of row ID, they will then ask us, Tanvir, what is row ID, right? So we used to teach that row ID. Where is that? Where is that in my course? Where is row ID? Oh, it is not here. I think it is missed somewhere. But we'll discuss row ID here in the last. Okay, then I will tell you that how based on the row ID engine sorts it. But to keep it very simple in the beginning, we used to tell that, okay, it is based on the SQL wish. Okay, but internally that is on the physical address, that is the row ID, how it sorts. I think I told yesterday. No, I have not told yesterday. That is I told in the weekend batch. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Is that fine, Manikanta?
Yeah.
Tanvir, I have a concern. Actually, as I told, like I'm in Canada and I have worked during these times. So I couldn't join the first half of the session. So can you please clear my doubt if possible? Because most of the days I won't be able to join first half of the session.
Sure. See, that is valid. I know US, Canada, and especially UK guys have this problem. So for you, like what we can do is we are sharing the recording. Okay, it takes 3 to 4 hours. Go through the recording, and if you still think that after recording the things are not clear, you connect with me. Okay, either you drop me a message on WhatsApp or in the group, or you can call me directly. Okay, because sometimes if I'm occupied in some meetings, I will not be able to attend your call. You can drop a message. I will recommend drop a message directly in the target group, and this is for everyone. Make the target group a happening one. Whenever you have any question, post it so that everyone will interact. Okay. But the forum is open, and once the batch can connect on that, we'll share the link after some time, maybe after 1 or 2 weeks, and then you can ask question there. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and can you please share your LinkedIn profile in the group?
Sure, I will share that. I will share.
Thank you very much.
Fine, sure. Thank you. Any other question, anyone?
No, sir.
No, good. Okay.
Tanvir, are we going to discuss on different data types like varchar, varchar2?
We'll discuss. I have already told. See, actually, the thing is, if everything I will present in front of you in the same time, maybe I'm afraid that the participants, they will get confused, right? Because this has happened in the previous batches. Okay, so especially Manikanta, you are there? Manikanta is there or he has worked?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, so Manikanta is one of my students from the old batch, right, Manikanta? So you might observe that a few of the examples or the technique how I'm teaching that has we have changed. So we keep on enriching our way of teaching and all those things as per what we learned from different batches. Okay. So we'll discuss it. The data type, I already have explained this yesterday, that don't think data type is over. No, we'll discuss it again. Like today I told you, don't think case is over. No. Again, we'll discuss case and I will teach you in select, in cumulative sum, many other places. Okay. So we'll discuss it. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Problem. Any other question? Okay.
No, sir.
Fine. Okay, good. Fine then, guys. So enjoy your weekend. We'll connect on Monday. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Everyone. Bye.